What's up? It's currently 8:22 p.m. I'm gonna head to bed soon. I'm exhausted. I also don't feel all that well, so, yeah, no. That's the thing. Go to bed. Good night.
Clear my shelves. Shoot. About to go to bed. Go to bed, and yeah. I got some stuff to do tomorrow, like move my shelves and my room around. And potentially be sleeping on the couch tomorrow night. So anyway, I'm gonna get over it. Alright, I'll see you in the morning. Good night.
Last WWF match before his death 1 year later at the age of 49. Triple A Luchador, 1997. From the 1990s right up until today, we've seen Vince McMahon be open to working with other companies to help expand both their audiences. In 1997, the World Wrestling Federation reached an agreement with AAA, which by that point was only 5 years old. Not much came of the agreement except for what happened at that year's Royal Rumble pay-per-view. Along with matches featuring senior WWF superstars, the show's undercard
Because my bed is potentially either going there, or like my shelves from here will go there. Because I'm getting a new bed Wednesday. I get my bed Wednesday. I'm so excited. I don't know when, but I know I'm getting it Wednesday. That's about it. So, see you in a bit. Bye.
Everybody should stay there. It's all going to be a big buzz. Shout it all out in the comments below, and of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In the meantime, though, thank you very much for watching. Have a course. Been Adam Cleary, and I will see you soon. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
The best way to see WWE live is to experience it firsthand. That saying has been doing the rounds for ages, and in many ways it's true. The atmosphere, how close you are, the sheer way it differs from TV, and you can smell the wrestlers' sweat. Many people get their first fix of pro wrestling by seeing a live show, and when it's complete with all the bells and whistles that come along with Vince McMahon traveling circus, it's hard not to be won over. It's a spectacle like none other. That doesn't mean watching it on television is somehow the ultimate negative, however.
While the announcer speculated that Paige wasn't ready for this, it became immediately apparent that AJ had bitten off more than
So tired.
Little over 1 minute later.
So what's up? I'm fixing this. Actually gonna put some over there. Switch up those lights. And yeah. And then I'm gonna put some on. I'll show you here. And like up if I can. And then there's more on my door that need to be fixed as well. So I can fix those and then figure out what the hell I'm gonna do with the layout of it. So yay, I'm so tired. It's like really cold. My tummy hurts a little bit. It doesn't hurt, it just feels funny. And that's not good. So, yeah.
Mixing bowl in these parts, but nobody in the audience is going to pop when they hit a power bomb, are they? Anyway, we did this exact video over a year ago now, and the comments were absolutely flooded with So here you go, guys.
But it's tough to accept that he loves it when he doesn't even like SmackDown resembling a threat to Raw. Never forget what happened at Survivor Series 2018. It's there for all to see. McMahon killed off the competition because that's what he does, for better or worse. It's business 101, which is impressive and devastating in equal measure. It's even going on right now in some people's eyes when we talk about NXT UK. Such is life. Number 7, Roman Reigns can't wrestle.
My tummy hurts.
Roman Reigns needs any advice on how to handle
fix that. This is what I'm doing so far. It's only one half.
Being eliminated. When his 1 year contract came to an end, he was given a very low-ball offer to move to Deep South Wrestling. He rejected it, ending his WWE career. Number 5, Palmer Cannon. Cannon's tenure as a
How to
representative from the
fix.
network only lasted about
It's
6
working
months,
so
and
far. I just gotta
competed in a
put that
televised
together
main roster match. During an Italian stop
and
on a
some of
European tour,
those
Cannon abruptly quit
up
the company,
there,
packed up all his
and
belongings,
then
save for his
the
wrestling
other
gear, which he
ones
left
over
out on the bed,
here.
and booked his own flight home.
Here.
He attributed his departure to
Behind the wall.
bullying suffered at the hands of Chris
The
Benoit
door.
and-
Hey guys, what's up? Ooh, we are currently sitting on my pillow. What's up? I'm just chilling. I'm doing my photo wall because I have to redo that because my bed will be here Wednesday. And my room is a current hot mess. As you can see behind me, on the other side, I have like my shelf all over the place. Anyway, just trying to get this situated because I want it to look good. Because I don't know where my bed will be going, so it should be interesting. Anyway, my acne scarring is like so bad, so don't mind that. Anyway, I will see you guys in a bit. Bye!
And maybe that's why Jackie and Sophia aren't here all the time. They just can't take it.
Any word from Sophia?
It's my mother, and then in the door. Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna end my vlog here. I will show you
My God, I can't believe the same moms who quit
when everything's done. And yeah, bye. Who's a good boy? He's a good boy. Come on. Get your ass moving. Guys, clips from the last couple days. I'm sorry. Bye.